Are you trying to decide between Shopify and Big Cartel for your online store? You're not alone. Many people find it tough to choose the right platform for their business. In this video, we will compare Shopify and Big Cartel. We'll look at what both tools offer and help you find the best fit for your needs. Both Shopify and Bigcartel help you set up an online shop. They make it easy to sell products and reach customers. But they do have some key differences. Let's start with Shopify. It's a powerful platform with lots of features. You can customize your store with many themes and apps. Shopify is great for larger businesses or those that plan to grow quickly. It offers tools for inventory management, shipping, and even marketing. Now, let's talk about Big Cartel. This tool is simpler and designed for artists and small businesses. It's easy to use and set up. Big Cartel has fewer features than Shopify, but it focuses on what small sellers need. You can showcase your work beautifully and manage sales without much hassle. When it comes to differences, Shopify is more feature rich. It offers advanced tools for scaling your business. Big Cartel, on the other hand, is straightforward and user friendly. It's perfect for smaller shops with fewer products. In terms of pricing, Shopify usually costs more than Big Cartel. Shopify has different plans based on features, while Big Cartel offers a free plan for very small shops. So, who should choose what? If you are a growing business that needs lots of tools, go for Shopify. But if you are an artist or a small seller looking for simplicity, Big Cartel is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.